Kung Fu Jet, I get to understand that you have been sleeping with my wife. I'm going to be there.
Kings and queens and castles of stone, when ninjas and samurais battled for the throne. There were great young warriors, of which was known as the Kung Fu Dread and Fat Lum So. Battle in the rain and they battle in the snow. They battle like mice and jump crows. Who win the fight, you just never know. So always stay tuned to the Kung Fu Dread Show. The Kung Fu Dread